Hi guys, and welcome to the Island Gardeners. Today we're going to be harvesting some of our yams, one of the most carefree foods that we grow in our garden. So we have these pine trees in our fruit forest, and most people they tend to remove them. What we do, we leave quite a few of them in our garden to provide a canopy. Also, what we do is we grow our vining layer of crops onto these, and we've been harvesting so far since December, and we've been getting quite a few yams. But now it's spring and they're starting to grow. The yams are starting to regrow, and we're going to be planting again, and so we're going to removing the remaining of the yams. And this year we've done some of the work before. So this year is one of the yams. This is what I mean by they're regrowing. And so this here is the actual yam that's remaining. Not as big as some of the others, but it's quite sizable. Alright, and that's two.
And how are you going to do it?
So when you know when the yam is ready, when the vine actually starts to dry down. Alright, so for us here in the temperate regions, that's usually coming on to winter. At that time you can harvest the yam, or for us, what we do, since they remain kind of fresh inside the ground, we leave them up to spring. So from December to now April, they remain inside the ground, and then that's when we harvest whatever we haven't eaten over that 3-4 month period. And they also produce a seed. These are the yam seeds. You can plant them, or you can also remove the top of them like this, and those will also grow, because this will be growing. All right. So this here is one more that we've already pre-dug. And here we have two nice pieces. Here is our collection that's building up. So we're going to go to the other side, harvest the last one that we have for this season. Okay, and here we are on our oak tree. We've pruned this oak tree to make it grow kind of slender, because we really just want it to be like a high canopy that provides some shelter during the winter and hot summers here that we have in Central Florida. And we're going to be taking up the last yam that we have here growing. Of course, around the mounds, there are several yams that we grow. So we've been harvesting. You can see one of them is here that's growing that we've harvested already. And you can see that we grow several yams around the mound, and we've been eating quite a number of them actually, and giving to friends. So what we'll do is that we'll take this one out. However, what happens is that from time to time yam seeds will fall, and they grow, and because we grow in a permaculture settings, we can't really see all of them. However, once they start sprouting up in this time of the year, we might see them. Sometimes even in the mounds we might miss some of them, and then at that time we still come back and harvest them if we have missed any. So because we don't just till all the soil off like that, we just take where we have an idea that they are at. And the yams that we have here are Renta yam and St. Vincent. And here we have it, guys, finishing up the season with our yam harvest. We've harvested over 200 pounds of it already since December, and we've been sharing with friends and family. And this here is what's going to be we're going to be having for another few months. or a couple months, quite a few number of months. So yams are very easy to grow. Please add them to your permaculture gardens, and all you need is a trellis or a tree that you can grow them on, and they take literally no effort at all except for when you're harvesting. And we do have yam seeds available on our Etsy store, so if you're interested, please see the link below. And we also have Amazon links below. You can use them to support our channel. So this is our harvest. Please like, share and subscribe. See you again. And again guys, just so you know, we have a few different types of yams, and we're going to be planting back some of these yams so we can have harvest for next year, next season. So please join us to see how we replant the yams in the mounds, and just hit the subscribe button after you've followed us, so you can, the notification button after you followed, subscribe to our channel, so you can get notified when we do that. Take care.
Please like, share, and subscribe.